Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start in the Discord app or web client, sign in and pick the target server immediately. Once done, make sure you are on the server view and that you have the manage server permission or an admin role, otherwise you won't see the audit logs. Next, click the server name drop-down at the top left to reveal server settings. This first action gets you into the settings area where the activity history lives, so proceed now to open server settings. You're inside server settings now. Look at the left sidebar and select Audit Log under Management to load the activity stream. Once the log appears, scan entries in reverse chronological order. Each line shows the action, the user who performed it, and a timestamp. Make sure to use the filter button to narrow results by specific users, actions like role changes or message deletions, or a custom date range. This helps you find the exact event quickly without scrolling through unrelated entries. You can click any audit entry to view detailed context about what changed and which channels or items were affected. Expand entries to read full details. Once you've reviewed, export or copy the relevant lines for reporting or evidence and take screenshots if needed. If you don't see expected events, double-check your role permissions and audit log retention. Make sure the server owner hasn't restricted access or cleared logs. If issues persist, contact.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.